Iniguman ani mag-abli na jud kog karinderya guys kay may na kay kumuluto. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Isa. I've officially lost count of how many days I've been under quarantine, but it seems like a hot minute. And I'm honestly starting to miss a lot of things. I miss my friends, I miss going out, and I especially miss eating out. I just miss sushi. Whew! But I'll be honest, quarantine has made me a better chef. Iniguman ani mag-abli na jud kog karinderya guys kay may na kay kumuluto. Buyag lang gyud. A couple of weeks ago, ni sikat ug maayo ang dalgona coffee, and that was because it was so simple to make. So I thought, what are other recipes similar to this that are fun and easy to make using ingredients that are easily available in everyone's household? The recipes that I'm going to share with you are not brand new recipes. Some of the recipes are recipes that I grew up with, and others are things that I just found online. So I can't wait to share it with you. Enjoy! So the first meal that I made was Milo rice. It's not really a recipe or anything, but if you haven't tried this yet, this is something that my husband says nga pirmi niya kanon pagkabata niya. Sige siya panghambog, padyo ko katilaw ani. So I decided to try it out. All you need is hot steaming rice and a packet of Milo. If what mo'y pakiti, tapusan na lang na. All you have to do is get your rice and put Milo on it, enough to cover the whole thing, and then mix it together and it's a meal. Like, I don't know if you eat this with sudan or if mo na gid ni ang sudan. I had never tried that growing up, so I tried it in this video and this is my reaction.
Gibaw, so I feel. Masyag, kanon nga na yung Milo. It's interesting. Mas dami man siguro ni kung gikutaw ang Milo. Gihurot magyapon ako.
So the second recipe that I'm going to show you is the quesadilla. A quesadilla is actually a Mexican dish, and it is so close to my heart because I grew up in the States and my neighbors are Mexican. I used to eat this every afternoon and I absolutely loved it. And this is how you make it. All you need are tortilla wraps and cheese, or grated cheese to be specific, and you can use any kind of cheese that you want or any kind of cheese that you have. If you don't have pre-made tortilla wrap, you can always make your own, and I'll make sure to leave the recipe in the description. So all you have to do for this recipe is in low to medium heat, you want to put the tortilla wrap on the pan and then heat it up for a bit. Add your shredded cheese to one side of the tortilla wrap and then just fold it and then flip it over. It's so simple. It takes less than 5 minutes to make.
And I absolutely love it. I love it so much. So this is one of my childhood recipes and I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna eat this in peace.
So the next dish that I'm gonna share with you, it's not a dish, honestly, is like
this dish is called egg rice surprise.
So what you're gonna need is some rice, a sunny side up egg, ketchup, and some Nor Magic Syrup sauce. Get your rice, add the sunny side up egg on it, ketchup, and then some Nor sauce, and then you just mix everything together, and I swear this is so amazing. Tell me that you like this dish too because I love it. I love it. It's super easy to make. You can have it every morning, and it's just like a really simple way for you to up your breakfast game or any game. It's also like a really easy and fast snack. So yeah.
If not ko'y karinderya, in which I will own a karinderya, this will be my main Alright guys, next meal.
So the first 3 dishes that I shared with you are actually dishes that I've already heard of and tried before. The next 2 dishes or meals or recipes that I'm gonna share with you are things that I've never tried before, but I did try out specifically for this video. So the first recipe that I tried out is actually from TikTok. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok. It's Issaplease. I found this on TikTok and I was just so intrigued by it that I absolutely had to try it out. And this is the Oreo Mug cake. So all you're gonna need for this recipe are 4 pieces of Oreos, preferably crushed, and some milk. All you're gonna do is put the crushed Oreos in the mug, add some milk on top, make sure to just cover all the Oreos, mix it up until it has this consistency that looks thick and chunky. The next thing that you're gonna do is pop it in the microwave, set your heat, to medium-high and microwave it for a minute or a minute and a half. In order for you to know that your mug is cooked is you stick a fork or a toothpick in it. And if there are no chunks stuck to your fork or your toothpick, then that's how you know it's cooked. So I tried it out. It was pretty simple to make, and this was my reaction.
It is like a sponge cake, that's for sure. The flavor, I think out of 10, I would give it like a 6 out of 10. If you want something fun to do, and if you want to add more ingredients, you can. I actually saw online there are other recipes for this, but this one I only used the 2-ingredient recipe, and di man siya walay lami. Di sad siya like, wow, super amazing lami. But it's really fun to do. Next recipe.
Okay guys, so I'm just gonna be completely honest with you. I only have 4 recipes as of shooting this introduction, but I definitely want to add one more. So just give me like a couple days to figure out what my last recipe is, and then I'll come back and give you the ingredients and the instructions and my take on how I liked it. Alright, so I'll see you guys in like a second. Alright guys, so it's a few days later. I'm wearing the same shirt, but I am a different person. So I finally found out what the last recipe I was gonna make was, and that is mojos. And I decided to make mojos because I was really craving for French fries the other day, and this came out on my YouTube subscription list. So here's how you make these mojos. First, you're gonna need a cup of flour, crispy mix, eggs, evaporated milk, black pepper, and some sliced tomatoes. Not tomatoes, potatoes. And some sliced potatoes. So what you want to do is mix all the dry ingredients. That's your flour, your black pepper, and your crispy mix. My recipe was there was actually more flour than there was crispy mix, but looking back, I actually should have just used more crispy mix than flour. Then you're gonna mix all the wet ingredients. That's your egg and 1 can of evaporated milk. I got the bigger evaporated milk, so I only used half of that. Once you have all those things ready, you're gonna take your sliced potatoes, dip it first in the egg and the evaporated milk mixture, and then dip it in the dry mixture. That's your powder and everything. So you're just gonna do that for all your potato slices, and when you're finally done, heat oil in a deep dish, like a soup dish or something, at 180 or 200 degrees, and then you're just gonna drop all the potatoes in there, and then basically leave it to deep fry for about 5 minutes, or you see that your potatoes are golden brown. This definitely is not like a 2-ingredient recipe, but it was a recipe that I really wanted to make because I was so hungry and super craving for it, so I just decided to make it for you guys.
I just want to point out the obvious. I am aware that I'm not wearing makeup. You don't need to point it out in the videos. Just kind of realized that I keep putting makeup on and I have nowhere to go, and I don't want to waste my makeup because if I hurot my makeup, then I'll have to buy makeup. You know, adulting things. So we're just gonna go all natural, but naligo ko, wala ko na makeup. So I did it, guys! Ta-da! This better be worth it because daghan kay kung hugasanan dugon ani. Asay kuwang. I think dili daghan enough ako ang crispy mix gibutang. I mean, it potentially could be good. I just didn't do it right. If I had to rate this, what I currently made, I would rate it a 4 out of 10. I would switch up the ratios. I would say less flour, more crispy mix. I will have to try this again, but not today. I might run out of potatoes, and I might also run out of crispy mix. Dili karon ang panahon na mamista. I'll see you guys.
So there you go, guys. I hope that you liked this episode, and I hope it keeps you entertained, it keeps you inside the house, and of course I hope that it encourages you to try out cooking in the kitchen, and of course to post them on your socials. Tag me because I definitely want to see them. It keeps me less bored, entertained, and yeah, everything else in between. I hope you guys are doing swell where you are. I miss everyone, and I can't wait to come out of this and see you guys and hang out with you. But in the meantime, guys, magpatuol lang sa kita, ha. Dili na kita magsad-sad, ha, kay sakit kayo sa heart. Sige na kong hilak diri. Basta, I hope that this helped you out. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials. I'm Issaplease. Catch you guys in the next episode. Bye!